This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to begin by forcing the conditions Icloud needs to move fast. First, make sure Icloud Drive and specific app toggles are enabled. This ensures items are eligible to upload. Once done, join a stable Wi-Fi network, prefer 5 GHz for higher throughput, and plug the device into power so iOS or Mac OS won't defer syncing. Now open the Files or relevant app and create activity by modifying a file. That nudges Icloud to prioritize transfers immediately. Next, reduce competition. Pause backups, large downloads, and streaming on your network to free bandwidth for Icloud. Then force activity by editing and saving a target file, or toggling a folder off then on in Icloud Drive settings to requeue uploads. If you see conflicts or duplicate versions, resolve them. Manual selection prevents repeated retries that clog the queue. Also, restart the app or Finder to clear cache states. This prompts the system to reevaluate pending transfers. Finish by confirming everything uploaded. Check the Files app or Finder for status icons and Icloud settings for recent activity. If items remain pending, restart your device and router to clear transient network or process issues. This often releases stuck uploads. If problems persist, sign out of Icloud and sign back in after backing up critical data. Signing out forces a fresh sync session. Troubleshooting tip: if a file refuses to upload, duplicate and compress it, then upload the new archive to bypass hidden file errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.